PS5 how to restore license. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can restore your license on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to restore your license on PS5, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is simply go to the settings option from the top right hand side. Then you simply want to go to users and accounts here. Once you go to the option called users and accounts, you want to simply go to this option known as others, and when you go to others here, you'll find the option called restore licenses. So now all you have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to select this restore licenses option, and as you've done that, you can just hit the restore option over here in order to restore all the licenses, and then you'll be able to play all of the games that you had purchased on your previous PS5 console. This way you'll be able to restore PS5 licenses. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.